Kia ora Aotearoa. Right now, our team of 5 million is working hard to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. But what are we working towards? What if we were working to create an economy that works for all New Zealanders and our environment? This would be an economy that upholds manaakitanga, caring for our people, and kaitiakitanga, caring for our natural environment. This is an Aotearoa New Zealand where our rivers are clean and our native bush is protected, where everyone has a warm, dry, safe place to live and meaningful work, where we are all part of kind, inclusive and resilient communities. But over the years, decision makers in government and business haven't prioritised the well-being of people and communities or taken action to stop the pollution of our environment. At the same time, successive governments have under-resourced services our families and communities need to thrive, like education, health and income support. And now we're facing multiple connected challenges: mental health, housing, rising inequality, waste, and the consequences of climate change. It doesn't have to be this way. Decision makers in government and business can work together on solutions that will build an economy that works for all of us and the planet. Social enterprise is one of the solutions. Social enterprises are businesses that exist to create well-being for all of us. They might employ 2 people, 200 people, or more. Social enterprises are an important part of communities right across the country. They're in agriculture, hospitality, tourism, technology, health, and waste. They are Pacific enterprises and Māori enterprises, Pākihi whai kaupapa, businesses with purpose. They might call themselves a social enterprise or a community enterprise or something else. What all these organisations have in common is that they exist to create impact, which means positive social or environmental outcomes. Impact is improving lives by supporting our mental well-being, or offering meaningful employment to people with disabilities. Impact is supporting Māori and Pasifika to fulfil their ambitions and live healthy lives. Impact is improving our precious native bush, birds and rivers, reducing waste and helping us to meet our climate targets. Social enterprises are working hard to build a better future for Aotearoa. They deliver unique value, but they face unique barriers too. The Impact Initiative program was set up to find out what barriers social enterprises face. We found that business support services don't have the right tools to support social enterprises, and that the processes that big business and government use to buy goods and services don't consider impact, which makes it harder for social enterprises to sell to them. We found that people in the financial sector often don't understand the value of social enterprise, which makes it harder for social enterprises to access funding and investment. Thanks to the Impact Initiative, we now have a clear way ahead. 3 years of research, testing and conversation has uncovered proven ways the government can enable New Zealand's social enterprises to create more impact and put impact at the heart of government. There are 5 areas of opportunity for the government to take action. 1. Social procurement. Roll out social procurement so that the government is using its huge buying power to purchase well-being outcomes. 2. Impact management and measurement. Build on the kaupapa of the Living Standards Framework by supporting teams in government agencies to measure and grow well-being outcomes. 3. Impact investment. Accelerate the impact investing market so that more investment is going towards what matters and helping social enterprises to scale. 4. Tools and support. Invest in tools that will help social enterprises to start and grow, and provide support for organisations that work with enterprises. 5. Leadership and connection. Give social enterprise a home within a government agency and support a group of sector leaders to increase connection and share insights. We all want a country where the government and businesses work together to make Aotearoa healthier, happier, more inclusive and more resilient than it was before. Thriving social enterprises and a government working to measure and grow impact can help us get there. The Impact Initiative is ending, but the journey goes on. Find out more about the program and the recommendations to the government at www.theimpactinitiative.org.nz.